Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Welcome to Cast Iron Wednesday. The first video of the month. This month's challenge is barbecue. So I got something a little I'm trying to shoot for a little different this week. So I got some barbecue pork. I'm going to be doing a barbecue pork stir fry with rice. And I've got some rice on the stove already. I already did a video how to make rice. Just wash it till the water's clear. 12 minutes on the stove at medium heat. Take it off for 10 minutes, done. And it makes pretty damn good rice. So, gotta start prepping my ingredients and we'll get to it. Alright, kind of go through the ingredients here. I may or may not go through a lot of prep. I might touch on some of them. We got some daikon radish. I've got some broccoli, which I gotta get my steamer out. These bags. I have a carrot. I've got some mushrooms. These are big mushrooms. I may only use half or one of these, maybe. We'll see. And I've got some ginger. Which I may only use half of this, because I think I might do is I might make a smaller one and then do use the leftover rice to make fried rice later on. And I see that my rice is at a boil, so I'll just drop it down to medium and set the kitchen timer for 12 minutes. Alright, turn this on about medium, low-ish heat. Got some vegetable oil. Normally I use olive oil, but I'm using vegetable oil. I got some daikon radish here. Julienne up. Get these in first because everything else will cook much quicker. I'll probably just do it about this size. Work on that. Alright. Pretty much same thing with the carrots. Give it a nice julienne. Well, I mean, I guess it's just not really, it's more of a rough chop, I suppose. Not really a julienne. I got those going. Make sure you stir your carrot and daikon so you get even cooking, but you might get the other sides cooked as well. So. Alright, we're down to 30 seconds on the rice. So, I'll just go ahead and kill it. And, well, it's 15 seconds. It's good enough. Now it's going to sit 10 minutes. You didn't see that, but 10 minutes sit. Don't touch that lid. I mentioned it. I don't know if I've ever showed it. How I peel ginger. And all I do is I just take a knife, I get rid of all the little chunks, and I'll just take a spoon, and I'll just scrape off the ginger like this. See, most of it comes off pretty quick. Plus with a spoon, there's less chance of cutting yourself like a knife. This horrible looking piece here, I'll just trim that off. Ew. How deep does it go? Get that out of there. That doesn't look like it would be tasty. And then I just take the spoon and I just peel off all the skin. I know you can buy pre-chopped up ginger, but then you're also paying a premium price for someone doing the work for you. You can just take a spoon and just... Usually I'll just sit down at the table and I'll just do this off camera. Let that little piece go. I don't want to waste this little guy here. And not to mention, this ginger was like, I think it was like when I bought it. It was because I only bought a little piece. It was like 59. It was less than $1. There you go. So that's it. All right, I got my garlic and ginger cut up. These would cook much quicker if they were julienne, like fine. A little bit more oil because I'm going to put my garlic and ginger in there. You want to put it in first because you could burn it. I'll go ahead and... I like mushrooms, so I put mushrooms in a lot of stuff. So, and I don't mind that there's garlic and ginger all over my knife. It's gonna make my, just gonna add to the flavors. May need a little bit more oil, so just keep an eye on it because mushrooms can absorb quite a bit of oil, so I almost forgot something else I was going to do. A little oil in here. Try not to heat. Now, if you're thinking, hey, I thought they said this was barbecue pork. I got some right here. If I can get it out of the package. Barbecue pork. Boom. Bought this at the Asian market. I'm only going to use half of this though, because I'm probably going to make a barbecue pork stir fry or a barbecue pork fried rice later today. So I'll use the other half for that. So that'll be dinner. Good way to use up leftover rice. Timer is a mere moments from going away, so go ahead and throw my broccoli in there. If you're wondering about the onion and peppers, I don't eat that crap, so I don't put it in my food. Stir. Turn down the heat to about medium. Gonna add the king of flavor, MSG. Throw that in there. Then I got some sauces here I'm gonna throw in here. So I've got a little of this mirin, which I put in another recipe. I'm also going to add some soy sauce. So I didn't add any salt because I knew I was going to be adding soy sauce. So soy sauce. And then I've got some sesame oil, more for flavoring than anything else. Now I'm going to give this a stir. Sorry about the camera. And those of you who are wondering about the oil, what I picked up yesterday was some gyoza. I thought I don't think the oil's quite hot enough yet. Well, there's some bubble action, you know. So Now you remember my words of warning about using tongs? Always go down. Alright. Those are looking pretty good. They're feeling done. Just get them out onto a paper towel so they can drain. Alright, dish up that rice. Alright. No extra moisture at the bottom. Nice and fluffy. Nail the rice. Look at that. It seems like it made a lot for what I did. I might be coming back for seconds. It's like mostly vegetables, so. So there we go. Looks pretty good. Let's see how it tastes. Alright, so unfortunately I'm out of ponzu sauce currently for my gyoza, but I just got some soy sauce. I'll just drizzle a little bit on. I guess we'll go ahead and try one since I'm holding the bowl. I don't bother doing the dip thing. Hot too. Whew. Yeah. So the broccoli came out. Probably gonna be hot too. Oh, broccoli came out perfect. Try a piece of pork. Carrot. There's still a little bit of crunch in the carrot, but I actually like that. I like the texture. And a little bit of daikon. Same thing. Just a little bit of crunch. I'll tell you what. I'm digging this. Try the rice. Probably have a little bit less so it won't burn the crap out of my mouth. Oh yeah. Nailed the rice. That's good. It's like mostly vegetables, so I'm gonna go sit down and eat lunch, probably watch a YouTube video. I'll catch you guys in a few. Alright, so I was holding up a clean bowl, but I just walked in the kitchen, threw it in the sink, filled it with water before then I remembered, oh wait, I hadn't closed up my own video yet. But it was really good. I actually ate everything that was there. It was quite tasty. So, anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to check the end card and also the description for links for the playlist and then Shovelhead 8's channel. And then there'll be a video at the end here that shows how I clean and take care of my cast iron. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.